Right, so where can we find 7/64 of an inch on our ruler or tape measure here? So this is 1 inch. All of this is just 1 inch. If we look at the ruler, it's broken into this 1 inches. Cut it in half, you get a half. Cut that in half, you get a fourth. Cut that in half, you get an eighth. And cut that in half, you get a 16th. So let's zoom in on this area right here to find 7/64. So if we cut 1/16 in half right here, that'll give us 1/32. This will be 1/32 right there. Let's do that. Then if we cut this 1/32 in half, we get 1/64, like this. So we're looking for 7/64. So we have 1, 2, 3/64, 4/64, which is 1/16, 5, 6, right here, 7. This right here is 7/64 on our ruler or tape measure. And that's how you do it. This is Dr. B looking for 7/64 on our ruler or tape measure, and it's right there. Thanks for watching.